10-minute low-impact cardio workout. Easy weight loss hacks. According to a study published by the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness in 2017, a combination of cardio and strength training is enough for a normal individual to lose weight. If you're among those that need to take care of their joints but want to exercise to lose weight, we've got a 10-minute low-impact cardio workout for you. These easy weight loss hacks will get you in shape without taking too much time off your busy schedule. Sidestep. Stand on the floor with your feet close together. Keep your arms tucked in close to your chest. Slightly bend your knees and lean forward. Keeping your left foot firmly on the ground, use your right leg to step out to the side. Pull your leg back into the starting position. Repeat as many times as you can within 30 seconds. Repeat for the left leg. Take a short break until you're ready to repeat the entire exercise for 30 seconds per side. Toe touches. Stand on the floor with your feet greater than shoulder width apart. Extend your arms straight out on each side, then slowly bend down to touch your right foot with your left hand. Make sure you do this without bending your elbows. Go back to the starting position and then bend to touch your left foot with your right hand. Keep alternating sides as many times as you can within 1 minute. Take a short break until you're ready to repeat for another minute. Knee ups. Stand on the floor with your feet approximately shoulder width apart. Raise both arms forward. Carefully bring up your right knee to touch your right hand. Lower your right knee and wait until you're stable before doing the same for the left side. Keep alternating between your right and left sides for 1 minute. Once the time is up, take a short break until you're ready to repeat the exercise for another minute. Lunging kicks. Stand on the floor with your feet close together. Slowly step back with your right leg and lower yourself into a lunge. Hold the position for approximately 2 seconds before bringing yourself up and extending your right leg forward into a front kick. Then lower yourself back down into a lunge. Keep shifting between a back lunge and front kick for 30 seconds. Repeat using your left side for another 30 seconds. Once you're done with both sides, take a short break before repeating the same exercise for 30 seconds per side. Squat kicks. Stand on the floor with your feet just slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your elbows bent and your arms close to your chest. Bend your knees and lower your hips into a proper squat. Make sure that your knees don't bend too far forward to keep from straining it. Hold this position for about 2 seconds before lifting yourself back up. Once back in your starting position, kick your right leg forward. Lower your right leg back down and then do another squat. After lifting yourself back up again, kick forward with your left leg. Keep squatting and kicking using alternating sides for 1 minute. Once your time is up, take a short break before repeating the exercise for another minute. This 10-minute low-impact cardio workout is made of easy weight loss hacks you can do at home. As you try them for the first time, you'll need about 30-second breaks in between. As you get stronger, try to limit the breaks until you're able to do the entire workout with no breaks at all. By doing this every day, you'll be able to lose your excess weight in no time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.